Wow, this is amazing. Let's see the origin of the cliché. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Thank you.
As a matter of fact, studies have shown that out of 7 days in a week, you should eat 5 days.
Amen. Amen.
If you want to be healthy. In short, studies have shown that you're meant to eat every 16 hours.
Amen. Amen.
Your body is only able to metabolize what you have consumed after 16 hours.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
After 16 hours, your body will metabolize what you have consumed. And dietitians recommend that until your body has metabolized and assimilated all you have consumed, you should not consume more.
Amen.
That's what dietitians recommend.
Amen.
Dietitians recommend that if you feel hungry in between meals, you should drink water. The concept of breakfast being the most important meal was coined by Kellogg's, the founders of CLICHE. They were, after the First World War, they discovered that most people indulged in masturbation. Most men and most women indulged in masturbation. And they knew that with that, there will be very few marriages. They knew that with that, the childbirth will be very low. So they wanted to populate the world. They say, how do we cure this thing?
Amen. Amen.
So they said, let us go back to increase craving. And we can increase craving by making people eat food that will make them have high testosterone. And they said the way they would do it was that they would put these things in the roughages. So they were using corn cobs and maize. They roast them and flake them as a way of making sure that anybody who eats them will have high testosterone. And so the guy now said it must be eaten in the morning, so that by evening there will be high testosterone and people will desire to meet their partners. So after inventing flakes, the guy now coined out a term: breakfast is the most important meal. That's the history of that term. Breakfast is most important. It was never there before. It was never there. That is the origin. Google it, study it. I'm telling you what I studied. You can study it. Origin of the word breakfast is the most important meal. That's how it came. That's how it came about. That's how flakes were manufactured.
Amen.
That's the origin. There is no scientific evidence that breakfast is the best meal or most important meal. It's just a political statement that has been taken hook, line, sinker. No scientific evidence whatsoever. As a matter of fact, if you eat in the night, the next time you should eat is by noon.